Today we're going to be making this very cute Valentine's Day wreath. It's made out of cardstock paper. This is the front and this is the back. It's very simple to do. You can make it with a cry cut and without. What you will need is, for my wreath, I'm going to be using my cry cut maker. I'm going to need my fine point blade. I'm also going to use this Artist Loft pen. I do advise you to use a cry cut pen because if you don't, your warranty will be voided. My warranty is already ended, so I'm just going to use this pen. A cry cut mat. This is the standard grip. Some cardstock. I bought this in Michael's Arts and Crafts. I'm going to use pink, red, and purple to make my wreath. Scissors, a glue stick. It can also be regular glue, and some string. You're also going to need tape. You can make this wreath without a cry cut. So in the description box below, I have the SVG files, and I also have instructions on how to make this wreath without a cry cut. So let's get to it. The wreath that we're making today is actually inspired by one that I saw at Target.com. I just searched Valentine wreath and this one caught my eye. You can buy this in Target for $6. So if you cannot make it yourself, hopefully they have it in stock at your local Target. This is how it looks like. This is the SVG that my husband designed for me. We're going to upload this in the Cricut Design Space app. So this is how it looks like in the app. What we're going to do is duplicate these twice. 1, 2. I'm going to take one and we're going to weld. It's going to look like this. We're going to take another design and we're going to make this to draw. I'm going to draw it in yellow, like so. I'm going to bring this to the front. We're putting these together. I'm going to take the welded image, which is behind, and we're going to click the other one, the one in draw. I'm going to hit action and I'm going to attach this. So first it's going to draw the image and then it's going to cut afterwards. So before we do anything else, we're going to resize all three of these to the same size. I'm going to put these together like so. Now you can make them to be bigger or smaller as long as it fits your mat. I'm going to make these 8 by 8 inches or 28.66 by 28.66 centimeters. For the last design here, we're going to ungroup these. Now you can just move them individually. There are 12 hearts. So I'm going to be making 4 of them one color, 4 of them of another color, and 4 of them another color. So these 4, I'm going to be making them purple. like that. 4, I'm going to be making them red. So this last 4, I'm going to be making them pink. So I have my cry cut ready. We're going to arrange these hearts so they fit on my paper. Like so. My paper is 11 by 8 inches. We're going to hit continue. So the first thing it's going to do is draw and cut. I'm using regular cardstock, but my blade is not so sharp, so I'm going to hit foil paper. What this is going to do is it's going to cut twice, but you don't have to do this if your blade is in good condition. You can just hit medium cardstock or heavy cardstock or whichever cardstock you are using. Now we are ready to cut. So this is how I have my mat. I have the width to be 11 inches and the height to be 8 inches. I have my fine point blade and my pen loaded. Now we're just going to load the mat. And we're ready to go. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Now we're ready to cut out the hearts. For this, I'm going to put the length first and then the width. So the length is 11 and the width will be 8. Time to cut. So this is our 4 pink hearts. We're going to do the same thing for our purple and for our red. Now we're ready to assemble our wreath. What we're going to do is take our glue stick. We're going to alternate colors. This is what we have. We can just alternate between the colors. So next I'm going to do pink. This is what we have. So cute. This is how the back looks like. All we need to do now is add our piece of string so we can hang it. We're going to take some tape and tape it to the back. So we are finished. Thank you so much everybody for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Have a good weekend everybody.